Matapos talunin ang tatlong Pinoy, ay tila wala nang takot sa mga Pinoy boxer itong binansagang The Chosen One ng Indonesia na si Muhammad Ridwan. Malakas ang loob na dumayo sa bansang Pilipinas. Bit-bit ang kartadang 11 wins, only 1 defeat, 8 dito via knockout. Sobrang laki ng tiwala sa sarili na easy fight lang niya ang Pinoy na haharang sa kanya. Dahil bukod sa di kilala itong Pinoy na mga kalaban niya, ay may record pa itong di ganun kaganda. 11 wins, 18 losses, 5 dito tabla. Mas madami pa ang talo kaysa sa panalo. Tumatak agad sa utak nitong dayong kalaban na maganda ang kalalabasan ng bakbakan. Dagdag sa listahan ng mga Pinoy na tinalo niya. Pero di niya alam na itong Pinoy ay ayaw mapahiya sa mga dayo, lalo na dito gagawin ng laban sa sariling teritoryo. At mas lalong di alam ng dayong kalaban na itong Pinoy ay pinanganak pala sa lugar na kung saan ang ating pambansang kamao Manny Pacquiao ay nagsimula, sa General Santos City. Ang Pinoy ay si Landy Chris Leon alias Cinderella Man. At dahil dito, ang inaasahan ni Muhammad Ridwan na matamis na panalo ay isang bangungot pala sa kanyang karera. Isang di ganon kakilala at di ganon kaganda ang kartada ang nagpabagsak at tumalo sa kanya. Ating balikan ang upset win na ginawa ni Landy Chris Leon alias Cinderella Man kontra Muhammad Ridwan alias The Chosen One.
Okay, touch gloves, that's about it.
6 rounds, go. And this is in the featherweight division. And Anthony, that shows you the kind of support Rick Starration. We did say he turned pro in the Philippines. He has beaten 3 Filipinos so far in his career as team, but he's got to be able to take care of business if he possibly can. He wants to introduce himself to...
And he's fought twice in China. He did score a knockout in China.
Against a Thailander. He's also fought in Japan, so he's seen a lot of action.
You know, Ridwan might be probably the best boxer to come out of Singapore, Kenito.
I think so. Some mocking tactics here being shown by Leon.
But looks, he did win those bronze medals in the Southeast Asian Games. He's a polished amateur fighter. Nice combination that time by Ridwan. Left right getting in, but not too much power behind it.
Nice landing there. Again, the combination coming from Ridwan.
Under a minute remaining in round number 1. Leon fighting out in the southpaw stance.
Not too much damage done here, Kenito. Go ahead.
Yeah, but you see Leon trying to keeping Leon away. And some shots there by Ridwan, and then Leon.
More than anything else here. As we enter now round number 2. Learning that next up, DAZN saying
he's trying to throw Ridwan's rhythm off track. Well, he's trying to figure out what kind of style he needs to be able to throw off Leon. Leon is being very aggressive, being like the brawler that he titled Leon. Seen a lot of action through the years.
can he use that advantage here?
On in experience, he's actually young.
Actually, no real big punch from either fighter. And here comes Leon.
By Leon, the way Leon has been moving that time, left hand connecting that jab, finding the mark against Leon. Touches, combinations. Oh, that time Leon connecting, just as Ridwan was coming at Leon.
There's actually an actual punches thrown.
And Leon connecting once more. He just missed a big right hand, left hand rather. Now
That's
Ridwan
left foot
coming
enter.
back. There you go. Some nice combination punching and some uppercuts thrown here by Ridwan.
It's really dictating the fight.
It's a tough challenge here for Ridwan.
He will be it here for Ridwan.
That time Ridwan connected with a shot just as
Ringstar Asia on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at Ringstar Asia.
again distance fighting here coming from Ridwan and Leon.
That fight against Vernon Pacquiao,
Not to mention the fact that the referee didn't do his job.
right, referee Mark Nelson. And that fight. But here, referee DAZN realizing that
Now Ridwan being a little bit more aggressive here.
coming from Leon, he's really roughhousing. He's brawling.
On the court, they feel that
Oh,
their
nice
fighters got the advantage and right, really connected. But Ridwan comes right back.
Oh, great recuperative powers there by Ridwan. Leon, an edge.
Action really picking up here. That is a big...
I thought he might have been intimidated back in round number 2. But I think he's got his wits together.
They trade punches once again.
Leon throwing shots here, but Ridwan appears to be the better conditioned fighter.
10 seconds. Great third round. The crowd on its feet.
Leon is missing.
Number 4 of a scheduled 6
Lines are running out of gas. And, you know, the better conditioned fighter is going to win this fight. That's for sure.
Well, the action has really picked up here. Nice left there from Ridwan. Wanting to take control of this fight as early as he possibly can.
Nice uppercut scored there by Ridwan. Now he's connecting.
With frequency. And now starting to go to the body, back to the head. Great action here coming from Ridwan. Oh, but the gun is down.
Knockdown. They're giving him a knockdown.
No. Was that a knockdown?
I thought at that stage, Ridwan had the better of the exchanges.
I agree. Right now, he knows he's got to come back.
And here we go. Here's Muhammad Ridwan.
3 of those punches connecting, Kinito.
Well, I don't think Leon has too much left. It's round number 4. We've got 2 more rounds.
Now this has turned into a very interesting fight.
One is now stalking Ridwan, but Ridwan still throwing the cleaner punches.
Well, he's moving around. He's moving away from Ridwan is feeling the power of Leon.
And it looks like there is a cut there on the right eye.
From, oh, we have the WBA welterweight
8th Division World Champion. He is one of the 2 promoters. As we enter round number 5.
an automatic 10-8 round for Chris Leon.
And look at that left connect in the air for Leon. Leon is now smiling, trying to taunt Ridwan. Probably saying not him. Letsu picks up the pace here in round number 5. Back to his rough housing tactics. Quite sure what the judges exactly scored in the first 3 rounds.
Well, if you gave 2 of the first 3 rounds to Muhammad Ridwan, you would have Leon now not in front of Ron Arquez, not in front of the IBF Ratings Committee Chairman Anibal Miramontes, and not in front of the International Boxing Hall of Famer Nigel Collins. All of them.
Chris Leon. Then connecting with a nice left hand. And might have gone down once more.
And it brought down Ridwan.
It looked like it was very, very close, Kinito.
It was close.
Fighter.
And here's 12 of those were by knockout.
The very experienced fighter, Chris Leon, trying to hold on, and there we go. That's another takedown. Well, he's done a good job of rough housing.
Nadali and telling Kinito. Yeah, they're telling Chris Leon he's not gonna take those things sitting down.
Will that affect the result here,
I'll tell you,
Kinito?
this is a situation where if Ridwan for Chris Leon, so it's a situation that can be neutralized right here if Ridwan is able to win.
Point of the 6th and final round will be telling.
More
Suddenly,
punches being thrown here by Ridwan.
Ridwan
There we
finding
go.
his range.
The Singaporean throwing everything he's got. He feels this is his opportunity.
There's 47 seconds left. Ridwan going for broke.
Under 30 seconds in our
There's
final
a shot.
round.
There's a nice shot.
There's another one.
A right straight connecting for Ridwan. And more punches here. Connected by Ridwan.
Everything connecting, Kinito, the last 5 punches.
Oh, this is a massacre. It looks like he's going down. He's going down and he's down.
Oh, what a change.
of complexion here. Chris Leon going down. And Ridwan looking to finish off. Chris Leon, will he have time to do it?
This might be a 10-7 round, Kirito.
Yes, it will. It will be a 10-7.
Chris Leon! And Chris Leon has won this fight by a split decision. Oh, what an upset! What an upset!
Ako nga pala si Kenneth Dober, Philippine Youth Champion sa lumalaban sa Bantamweight Division. Shoutout nga pala sa channel ni Manoy, 0.2. Like and share, subscribe. Bang!